This is part 2 of my partner drills video because I couldn't fit everything into the first video, and these drills are just as important. So here are 6 more of my favorite partner drills that we use all the time, plus 1 bonus drill. Partner drills are some of the most important drills we do because they build timing, coordination, competence, and real fight IQ. And they help people stay engaged and actually learning while having fun. We use these drills almost every single day at our gym. Number 1. Partner roll under, beginner version. This first drill is the basic partner roll under. This one's especially good for newer people because it teaches them how to roll under a punch with lots of room for error and gives them time to build their reflex. One partner simply swings their arm across like a hook, nothing crazy, nothing fast, and the other person practices a clean technical roll underneath it. This drill forces them to twist their torso, bend their knees, and stay balanced while moving down and up in a U, and beginners need this. Most new people move like a block of wood until this drill starts teaching them rhythm, coordination, and that little bit of flow that they're missing. It's simple, but it builds a good foundation. Number 2, roll under with counters. The second drill is the advanced roll under with counter drill. This one is a whole different level. Now you're not just ducking under, you're ducking under and countering with footwork, angles, and timing all happening at the same time. This drill takes way more energy and intensity because you have to be fast enough to get under that round punch and fire back before your partner resets. It's a real workout. Your legs will burn, your lungs will burn, and if your technique isn't right, it's not going to work. What's crazy is that in this clip, the guy working is actually pretty new, but he's very athletic and he works very hard, so he picks things up fast. Number 3, the lean drill. It's a toe-to-toe variation. This drill is what we call the lean drill, basically a toe-to-toe drill where both partners are working on moving in and moving out fast and with purpose. For beginners, we start with simple one-and-one punches like you see here. It teaches them to stay relaxed, stay balanced, and lean just enough to avoid the shot without throwing themselves out of position to counter. For advanced people, we start playing with different variations like right hand only, which is way harder than it looks and it sounds when you're going full distance in and out. Then sometimes we go 2 punches for 2 punches, and it's all about developing clean, fast, in and out reflexes. When you get good at this drill, your defense starts feeling automatic and you are way better at manipulating range. Number 4, basic clinch escapes or clinch mitigation. Drill 4 is what we call the basic clinch escape drill. Honestly, it's more like clinch mitigation, teaching newer people how to deny the clinch or survive long enough just to get out without getting kneed or swept. These two in the video here, this is their first time doing it, so we're focused on the basics, staying upright, keeping posture, hand positioning, working on escapes. They just take turns and go back and forth for a round. For the more advanced people, this drill gets a lot more intense. We add knees, sweeps, pressure, and hand fighting, but for beginners, this is the perfect way to introduce clinch escapes without overwhelming them. Number 5, jumping push-ups and body conditioning drill. Drill 5 is just a fun but brutal body conditioning drill. For one round, one person does 5 jumping push-ups, then stands up and takes 5 clean punches to the stomach. Then they switch. It sounds simple, but once you start getting tired, this becomes a mental battle. By the end of the round, you're tired. Your breathing is off, you're standing tall while someone punches you in the stomach, and it becomes a test of composure and grit. This drill teaches breathing under pressure and keeping your breathing under control while you're tired, and staying calm when you're uncomfortable. Everybody really loves this drill, and it's a great practice on taking body shots while you're tired. Number 6, 1 offense, 1 defense. It's a good fight prep drill. Drill 6 is 1 offense, 1 defense. One of the most important drills we do. For the whole round, one person is only defending while the other person is only attacking. And yeah, the offense guy gets to work, but this drill is mainly for the defender. Like I always tell my fighters, the guy on defense should be working way harder than the guy on offense. Defense takes intensity, discipline, and focus, and you defend with blocks, slips, counters, rolls, smothers, parries, and dodges, all while keeping your composure. For fighters preparing for competition, we crank this drill up. The offense guy goes almost 100% to test the defender's ability to hold the line, trust their guard, and stay calm under fire. This drill builds confidence, like real confidence. Bonus drill. Simultaneous body shots. This is a burnout drill. This bonus drill is just a fun burnout that we do sometimes at the end of class. Both people stand there, punch each other in the stomach at the same time. It sounds dumb, but it's actually one of the best drills for timing and toughness. The more you do it, the more you start sensing openings without even thinking. You feel the rhythm, you recognize the gaps, and you start seeing counters before they happen. It's fun, it's loud, everyone's always laughing, but it builds real fight awareness at the same time. All of these drills are really important because they build smart fighters, not just strong ones, and when people switch partners, they learn even more because every person moves differently. These drills help kill the flinch reflex, improve timing, increase confidence, and they work for beginners all the way up to advanced fighters. We use these almost every day because they build fundamentals fast. If you want to see even more of our partner drills or any drills that we do, let me know because I'll definitely make another video. And as always, if you need help with any of this stuff, just reach out to me. And if you're trying to start your own boxing or kickboxing gym, or you want help running classes, structuring drills, or getting your program off the ground, I help people do that. Just reach out.